Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling assistive touch because it replaces the digital crown with touch and motion controls. On your iPhone Open Watch settings, go to Accessibility, enable assistive touch and follow the on-screen calibration. Make sure the watch is paired, charged above 20%, and on the wrist so sensors calibrate correctly. Once done, confirm motion and fitness access. This lets the watch detect gestures reliably. These steps give you immediate alternatives to the crown, so you can now learn how gestures and the assistive touch menu map to crown actions. Pinch to select, double pinch to go back or open apps depending on context, and clench to reveal the menu. Make sure menu gestures are assigned in the watch, AppSo Home and App Switcher are reachable. Use Siri for app launches and dictation when fine control is required. Also enable tap to speak or voiceover for confirmation sounds. This helps you trust each gesture while you build speed and accuracy. Finish by customizing shortcuts so common tasks are one gesture away. Assign home, notifications, and workout to quick actions. Practice several short sessions wearing the watch naturally. Consistent wrist position and relaxed hand movements improve detection. If the watch becomes unresponsive, try a force restart using side button combinations or unpair and repair through the iPhone Watch app to refresh settings. If problems persist, check for debris around sensors and contact support. Most issues resolve after recalibration or a reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.